So guys, let's trade crypto arbitrage trading, and we'll be buying assets at a lower price in a centralized platform and selling them at a higher price in a decentralized platform. But we'll be using automated bot to trade crypto arbitrage trading. So that's the definition of crypto arbitrage trading. And also at the end of this video, we'll make a small withdrawal courtesy of crypto arbitrage trading, just to confirm that everything works perfectly. So we are using runquilly.com. Just go to your browser, search runquilly.com, and if you want free crypto arbitrage classes, make sure you click the link in my bio. So after funding your Runquilly, you can chat me. I guide you on how to fund. You will actually unlock the crypto arbitrage bots, which they are called arbitrage bots. So I'll make out a trade here using Flash Arbitrage Pro bot, which is trading between Binance and Kraken. Win rate is 158 and expected profit margin is 175, loss margin is 74. And I just deploy the bot. Minimum of this bot, it is actually 300 USDT. So we will be expecting around 570, 527 in profits, but there is P2P fee for arbitrage, which will deduct us some money, which is not bad. So after deploying my bot, it will be running for 10 minutes. You can see I'll be getting 3 or 4. That is double my capital. So I'll double what I did trade with. So after that, it will take 10 minutes. The bot is running, arbitrage bot. You can see it here. The bot is running. So I'll just go to my Binance and make a withdrawal to Binance. So you just come to assets, add funds, click on deposit. Then you click on USDT. You choose the network, which is TRC20. I copy the address. Then I'll go here. You can see my bot is still running, and it is actually for crypto arbitrage trading. Then I come to withdrawal. I click on assets. Then I click there. I paste my address for Binance. We are making a withdrawal courtesy of crypto arbitrage trading. Then I'll make 52 USDTs because 50 is the minimum. Then I review and confirm. So we'll wait for 2 to 15 minutes for our withdrawal to be approved. Then we'll check also our bot. So I'm going very fast because TikTok right now takes around 30 minutes. So you can watch these videos in full in YouTube or in Telegram. So let's wait and check it out. So guys, I've got a confirmation. My withdrawal has been sent to my Binance. We'll just come and refresh. You can see it is now 490 USDTs. I think we should make more. Then I'll refresh this one and also confirm if my withdrawal has been approved in transaction history, and you can check it here, the time and date. So we can also check our trading bot. So make sure you watch this full video on Telegram. Our trading bot for arbitrage trading, arbitrage bot, is here, and you can see it is actually still running. Or has it stopped session running? Some minutes remaining, and it will close. So that's how we make some profits with crypto arbitrage bots. So make sure you are trading with bots. 3 minutes remaining, and you make some profits, and make sure you withdraw almost daily. So that's it for today. Make sure you are in, and if you have any question, you just ask.